Hi, welcome to Logistics. I'm Gemma and let me tell you what we do. The best department here at Resene would be logistics, of course, naturally, and in particular dispatch. We get the orders in from our colour shops and from our customers, and we pick the orders and we dispatch it. The orders come here. We've got one of our supervisors here, Joe. What he does is he gets all the orders out. They all print out here. Guys will come in and they'll grab the orders for the day. What we need here is a really good team vibe, initiative, people who want to get the job done and go the extra mile to get it done. Once I finish the order, to go into wrap mode. All good, Lawrence? All good. Challenges that we face on a day-to-day basis is basically with staff issues, making sure our staff are looked after, making sure the workload is efficient, and we hit those targets to get our stuff out the door. So we have a number of wave wrapping. We've got one here, which is our manual wrap machine. You can see Levi's just finished one. And then we go down to this area. Hey, Mike. And George, as you can see, is putting one onto our wonderful octopus machine. This is our humongous wrap machine. Watch one go through. There's one going through the wrap at the moment. Here we go, into our octopus. Perfect timing with this. So the next step is this, of course. Spud's going to take it off the octopus, ready for the truck. So yeah, he positions it, and then of course the truck drivers will load. That's the cycle. That is how it goes. Oh, I love the people. We've got a great team vibe here, and the guys here that get the job done are awesome. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Cool.